Guys, do you think I look like a hog? And I won't look ready for this video. You're smart, because I need a better shirt. I've been wearing this shirt a long time. I'm getting a new one. First, I need to get out of the room and do something. One single thing. I'm back. So now, we are going to get me a new shirt. Because your boy has the ugliest shirt in the world. So let's get a new one. I'm actually getting a hoodie. Because I like hoodies. They're awesome. They're great. They're fashionable. And also, I love them. So, yeah. That's why I'm going to get a hoodie. And guess what? Am I stupid? Yes. I can get the same hoodie I used yesterday. I'm so stupid. Let's close it back up. And let's start this video. So, let's take this hoodie and put it on. Yeah. I don't know. I'm wasting pretty much 2 minutes of the video. Because it's actually like 2 minutes, 17 seconds. Anyway, let's do this. After I put my hoodie on. My cool hoodie. That was like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Gosh. Doing this all for nothing. Gosh, so stupid. We just put on the hoodie before I start the video. Gosh. I just swept off the hoodie. And I wake up, make a video. Awesome. This video might be really short because, you know, the video I'm going to be reacting to is going to be short, and all the videos I'm going to be reacting to are going to be pretty short. I'm probably going to be like reacting to free videos because I really do have to do homework. So yeah, I really hate homework, but it's alright. My first video was like an hour long. And yeah. It was an hour long making that video. I don't know why I made that video an hour long. An hour long? Oh my god. Anyway, let's start the video. Let's turn on my TV and go to HDMI 3. You know, I have a Toshiba TV. I mean a Fire TV. Yeah, Fire TVs. Mine has Alexa on it. Is that cool? I broke my remote, so no, that's not cool. Because I can't even use Alexa. I don't watch movies anyway. I do have Netflix on the Xbox. I'll probably watch that. I don't want to watch it on TV. Or just, download that app on my phone, you know? It's 4 minutes long. I didn't even do a single thing in this video. What now? Probably gonna tell me to detect the remote or something. Wrong YouTube. Really wrong YouTube. Stupid ugly YouTube. Wolf Night Moon. I have to wait now. So guys, let's wait. Wait and wait and wait. Just for 1 single minute, I guess. I don't know, we can talk about stuff. How do you like my hoodie? Pretty cool. Cool hoodie. It's awesome. It's the best thing in the world. What about when I make it fat? Fat version of the hoodie. You like when I'm fat? My fat belly. I'm stomaching. Oh. What do you like? Tell me, what do you like? Like my Infinity Gauntlet? A stupid bootleg Infinity Gauntlet I got for my birthday in 2019. I got this thing in 2019. And I thought I loved it. But I don't. I make weird videos on this weird app for like kids. It's not even for kids, I don't think. But yeah. It's for like I got it for like 2019 and I posted videos on this app called Likey. It's just a ripoff of TikTok. And oh, my TV's done. Oh, it could have hit me in the face. There was a light in the ground. Dig all the way to China. And then the camera will just find me. And I'll be at China somewhere. I need to puke. I'm just acting weird and stuff. That's what I do. Anyway, let's just say. Not say. The heck? The FAR special delivery. The Killers. Fan made. 3D printed Bonnie. 3D printed Bonnie costume. Five Nights at Freddy's. Watch it 7 years ago. I'm gonna have to watch it. Just kidding, I'm not gonna watch it. It's a Markiplier. So of course we have to start off with Siren's stomach. And we only need 2 more videos left before I'd probably end this series when I'm done, you know? I'm probably gonna end it when I reach to the last one, which is Nora's belly dance. Unless she makes a new video, or I find a new channel, such as Tummy Grumbles. Oh, no, not Tummy Grumbles. That's actually real life. Probably that Roar guy. No, I hate Roar. You know how much I hate Roar. Yeah, we can watch this. No, stomach growls. You guys watch cringy stomach growl videos. No stomach growls. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end this series when we reach the last video of Nora's belly dance. Anyway, let's watch one of the last videos, which is Hungry Tummy skit. What is that? What is that? So yeah, let's watch it. And I'm gonna pretty much enjoy it. And it's from Roblox, so let's watch it. Okay, the first thing it says is before the video starts, I have some things to say. What do you need to say? Your butthole is big? I apologize for not posting for such a long time. I've been insanely bombarded with all this computer work, not giving me enough time to post videos. Oh, yeah, of course. Or is it because you have a stomach ache? You're posting a story about it on your other channel. I'm so sorry. It's been pretty stressful these past few weeks. I will start to post regularly soon. Thanks for understanding this little skit I made using some video game. I forgot the name. How'd you forget the name? It's freaking Roblox. Of course it's Roblox. How do you forget that freaking game? Are you stupid or what? Or what? Stupid or something? Look at this girl. She actually will say she wants that. Oh my god. I'm sitting in my bed. There's absolutely nothing to do. I don't know what to do. There's just nothing. And she says, What? Focus, you stupid camera. I wonder what is... I wonder what I should do today. What are you gonna do? Oh, she's weighing on the ground. Why are you weighing on the ground? I'm so bored. There's nothing to do at home. Why am I even showing the world? Can't even see it. Weird face. What at her face? She's like, oh my gosh, what was that sound? Oh my gosh, the world's gonna end. I can't believe it. The world is actually going to end. No, I don't want this to happen. And she's like, what the what? Come on, Twitter or something. This is so stupid. Oh my gosh, I just want to die right now. She says, whoa, who knew my tummy could get so... Honey? What? We're having a divorce. Okay. My mom's having a divorce with Dad. Okay. I don't care. Just kidding. I'm lying. Oh my gosh. This is frick. What just happened? That was weird. I have to restart the whole entire thing. Okay. I hate you. So bad. I hate you. What is this? Oh my gosh! What was that? I'm actually getting scared right now. I'm actually getting scared. No, stop. That's actually terrifying. No, wait, stop. No, just stop. And she's saying, what in the world? Yeah, what the frick? Why? I hate it. I hate it so much. Stop. Just stop. I hate it. It's stupid. What? She's saying, oh my god, wait, her stomach's talking. Her stomach says, oh, this hurts. And ow. Why is your stomach talking? Sounds like a person talking. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Jeez! Oh my, jeez! My stomach's so loud. I better get some food. If I don't get some food. Remember, if your stomach doesn't growl, you're gonna die. And she says, geez, I better order some food before my stomach gets any louder. Okay. I hate this. It wasn't me. I didn't fart. No way, I did not fart. Someone else farted. Someone was outside my door. Farted. I hate it. I hate it so much. Oh my gosh, I hate this. It's so stupid. I really hate this. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my, no! My stomach's so loud. You know what? I'm gonna go get some food at McDonald's. Then she's like, that hurts so much. McDonald's, here we come. Oh my gosh, I hate my life. Oh, that's pretty much it. Yep, that's it. And she says, hello, my beautiful sirens. You really think I'm Siren Head? You really think I'm Siren Head? Anyway, like I said in the beginning, I was very busy at the moment. My apologizes, as I finally had time to myself. I made this little skit, unfortunately. I will have to have some time to work on the request I had. I hope you all understand. Thanks. Stay tuned. Siren Stomach. Siren Stomach, you're the best YouTuber in the world. I hate you. You're the worst YouTuber in the world. I hate this. Anyway, we are now done with that. Now, the next thing we're gonna watch is, of course, Hungry Girl Stomach Growl. What is this? Fluffy Wuffy? That sounds like some kind of family-friendly YouTuber. And she has a playlist called Belly Growls. What is this? Oh, that's all you do. Wait, Asian Girl? Your name's Asian Girl? Okay. Never mind. So, looks like her channel's gone. Oh, never mind. It's right here. Hungry Girl Stomach Growl. I just have to go to Cindy's Stomach Growl. I hate this. I hate it so much. There's lots of cringy videos I see that we can watch. Such as a Pokemon video called The Hungry Breaks You. Or Applejack, what's all this rumbling about? Or probably Twilight Sparkle, what are you grumbling about? Or lastly, but not least, Silver Stream's Hungry Stomach, which is actually 1 minute long, so probably not. This video is 3 minutes long. Why do you have to have a video that's 3 minutes long? 5 minutes long! What the frick? Why are all these videos even real? It doesn't make... No! 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 Don't talk! No. What are you talking about? No. 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 Guess what? She made a video 2 years ago. You know what that video is called? Guess. Guess a cartoon. Guess just a cartoon that's about an ocean. Like the ocean? No, not SpongeBob. They teach you all about ocean animals. I'm not Bill Nye the Science Guy. Yes, Octonauts. Guess what? They made a video 2 years ago called Tweak and Dashy's Stomach Grunt. I keep spitting. I don't know why I keep spitting. I just have lots of spit in my mouth. But why? Why Octonauts? You could have did not cartoons such as you can do Pokemon. You can do Five Nights at Freddy's. You can do My Little Pony. Not Octonauts. Why? I can't. I just can't. let's do this. Let's face my fears. And let's watch Tweak and Dashy's stomach growling request. 2 years ago. Let's do this. As you can see Tweak sleeping in her bed. You already know. You already know. You already know. You already know what this is. Oh. Sabrina Wickerbottom. I hate you. I really hate you. Can you do Dashy and Tweak from Octonauts listening to each other's stomach, please? What? What is the... Oh, great. I actually just, left the channel. But I'm alright with that. Now I see just almost every single jump scare of FNAF. See? Every single jump scare of FNAF. Okay. Hungry little stomach growl. Hungry little stomach growl. And back to my work. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. It's Tweak sleeping in her bed. Where? I can't stop spitting that, dude. I just can't. Stop. I'm spitting. Anyway, let's just continue. No. Stop. No. No. I just don't know. I keep spitting. Stop! Oh, she woke up. Tweak woke up. She's like, what was that? Oh my gosh. What? Oh! There's a new sea creature that we have to study and stuff, I think. And Tweak says, what was that? I don't know. I don't know. Probably Fat Man. Oh, Dashy woke up. It's Dashy! I heard something from the other room. Is anything wrong? Yes, something's wrong. This YouTube's torturing me. I mean, I'm torturing myself by making these stupid videos. Oh, hi, Tweak. You also heard that noise. Oh wait. Yeah, awesome. I don't even know the cartoon, even though I watched it thousands of times. I haven't watched the cartoon for a while. They got mixed up with their names, so I think this character is Tweak, and the other character is Dashy, even though Dashy is Tweak, and Tweak is Dashy. I don't know. I just didn't watch this, cartoon for a while, so yeah. I watched it 2 years ago. Gosh, that was a long time. Probably before this video was even made. Well, that's awesome. I even watched the cartoon for like 2 years. Gosh. Must be missing out on some stuff. I don't know if they even made another episode. Oh, hi, Tweak. Did you also hear that noise? No, I didn't. Oh, I'm sorry. I hate you. I hate you. I have to start this one, I think. I hate you. I hate it. I just hate it. What was that? Oh my gosh, I hate my life. I heard something from the other room. Is anything wrong? Oh, hi, Tweak. Did you also hear that noise? No, I didn't. What could it be? Could it be Buttman? I don't know. I don't know. I like carrots. Guys. Why? Why? Just stop. This is so stupid. There it is again. I don't know what it is. Probably a fat man that broke into the house. I don't know. Tweak, do you know? What is it? Oh no. I think I know. But I like carrots. What were you doing? Excuse me. Did I just see Tweet's ear come closer to Dashy's stomach? I swear, if I say that one more time, no, I'm done. No. Hey. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'm still alive. I hate my life. And guys, whoever started these stomach growl videos, I hate you. I really hate you. But anyways, goodbye.